Wow, my yellow! Oh my gosh! I didn't see it. I didn't see it. There is yellow, guys. Oh, guys. Ayan, another one from sir. Ayan, naglagas pa naman aking ano, guys. Ang aking revenue naglagas. Alam mo, ang laki na binawas. Grabe, halos 40 kapin ang nilagas. Di ko alam kung bakit anong nagawa ko. Wow, salamat ga. Salamat Sir Billy Vance. Thank you so much, sir. Always enjoy watching your channel, Gracie. But you did, I know that you're there, but you didn't even chat. Yeah, like that now you super chat and then without hi Gracie. See? Hi, thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Sir Bill Evans, thank you. Ayan, si ano napuntahan ko ha sa ICB Mix. ICB Mix, uy, daghay nukos. Saan man nukos ni? Farmers, market ko ba? Bili tayo ng pusit. Lato, ang daming isda pag madaling araw. Ayan oh. Wow, fish. Uy, dili, barato rin nukos dili. Tigkuha na lang 200 kapin. Alam mo, ang squid here, the price is in the market always 500, 600, but how many days is 200, 300. Kausap ko yun bago magawa ng video, tapos live. Sabi ko, wag yun video na para kang sira ulo. Eh, gusto niya yan para ano, kakaiba. Pero sabi nga nung isa, yung pinan nga niya, oh, somebody call in a welfare check as soon as possible. Guys, please connect Sir Bill Evans, our super chatter. He always super chat of Gracie and Mom. Thank you, Sir Bill Evans. Because of you, Gracie Mom will always get salary. Thank you. Yes, that is from you. Yeah, but if I don't upload, the revenue will, lost. Nagbaba nga akong revenue, sisi, mga 40 ka pinanawala. Grabe. Gusto niya peanut butter, haha, sabi wag. Bakit? Ano na gawin sa peanut butter? Sir Bill Evans, guys. Sumasahod ako dahil kay Sir Evans sa Gracie Ma'am. Pero isa lang AdSense. Kaya kahit hindi man umabot ang isa ng 100, kung pagsamahin, kung pumasok ng 100, papalo yan. Diretso ibibigay yan ni YT. Kaya lang nung December at saka puro nakasahod ang kasi sa akin si Sir Capel, si Sir Bill Evans always, so that's why. Thank you, Sir Bill Evans. Big help for me. What you did, it's a big help for my channel. For me, it's big help for me in financial. Thank you so much. Ayan, ICB Mix Vlog, I'm here ha. Daghay kuan sa kuan. Thank you so much guys. Si Bel Iban, siya po ang aking super chatter. And Gracie Mom. Always give a big amount. Si Sir Bel Ibans from California. Junkyard Dog, it's me, Ghost Town. Oh really? It's me, Ghost Town. You have two? You have two channels, Sir Ghost Town? Ayan, followers ako dito, oh. Followers ako kay Sir Rickman. Sir Rickman, 12 minutes and 40. Ayan, next ko panoorin si Sis Joy Salim. Sis Joy. Sir Bill Evans, thank you ha. Thank you so much. Ayan, playin ako dito na. Ay, maraming seafood. Ay, si Bimix, nasa Cubao ka? Oh, pusit. Tipon. Guso. Ay, grabe. Lato. Pila, magkano kilo yan? Plus 1 sa'yo, SCB Mix Vlog, ha? Plus 1. Magkano? Laki ng barilis, oh. Padako. Tulingan, dako. Magkano ang kilo? Sa ICB Mix, magkano kilo sa pusit? Almost ako kay ha, Sir Rickman, 12 minutes something. 12 minutes and 41. Ayan, Sir Bill Evans, thank you again. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, ayan naman. Wow, 3 times. wow talaga. Much respect. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Bill Evans. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, Sir Bill Evans. Siya talaga nagtaga sa akin, super chat. Gracie Ma'am, only Sir Bill Evans. Thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat po talaga, Sir Bill Evans. Thank